What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to customize, edit or style up the WPForms contact forms, just like this simple one right here into this page, without coding and for free, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to choose internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Imagine the following scenario: you did install WPForms, you are on the budget, so you have no money to purchase the pro version, and using it for free you created a simple contact form just like this one, and you would like to customize it, maybe change some colors, some fonts, the spacing, apply some borders, change the button color for example. In the case that you don't know how to use WPForms, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for a video tutorial where I do explain how to install and set up WPForms, and for another video where I do explain how to customize WPForms coding using CSS codes. But into this video, we're gonna learn how to do this in a simple and more effective way. How to do this? Let's move to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on Add New. After this, into the upper right corner of our screen, next to keyword, you're gonna type styler for WPForms, and this is the guide that we're looking for. Click on install now. After this, click on the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where we can see all of the currently installed plugins on your site. And if you review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard once again, next to settings, you're gonna be able to see styler WPForms. Nothing to do right here, okay? Really. So go back to your forms page, okay, the contact us page where your form is located, and review the toolbar of menus next to your site URL. We have a toolbar called Customize. Click on it. This is gonna load the WordPress customizer, okay? And if you scroll this page down, okay, you're gonna be able to see a button called, a menu called Styler for WPForms. Click on it. And very first thing to do, and the most important one, it's select WPForms. You're gonna need to select the form to be styled. In my case, it's this one right here, simple contact form, but remember the name of your contact form, okay? Okay, the page is gonna be reloaded. Well, now we are styling up this contact form. And what we can do? We can do basic whatever we want. General settings. You must mark this option right here in the case that you want to overlay the theme options, okay? After this, you can go back and go to the form wrapper. We can change the background color. We can apply some space. Change the font size, the font type, the radius. We can apply some margin, for example. Or maybe some padding. Let me create a bigger padding, just like this. Looks nice, right? We can even apply a background image in the case that we want. What else we can do? We can do wherever we want. We can change the form header, the form title and descriptions, make all bold, make italic, underline, change the title form font size from desktop, tablet or mobile. All have these options, by the way. The field labels, okay, so right here we can change the label font color, the field description. You can change the description color in the case that I want. Radius, drop down, checkbox, paragraph texture fields, submit button. We can change the submit button color right here in the case that you need it. We can change the hover background color in the case that you need, make it bold, change the font size, the widget of the button, for example, in the case that you want a bigger button. You can customize it right here. You can change the button height in the case that you prefer, the border color. Basically, you can customize every single part of your form, see the results immediately and without coding. After change is made, you're gonna click onto the publish button and you're gonna have saved your customized WPForms contact form for free. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install and use on your site, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your site for receiving and publishing guest posts on your blog. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click and make your site ready from the beginning. All you have to do is change some parts and you have a fully equipped website in just minutes, and inclusion with our amazing support, premium icons, templates, tools, widgets, and many more pro features in order to create the site of your dreams. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!